guys, welcome me and you guys both on this YouTube channel again. I know it's been a while. I hope you guys are doing well, and I know there are many questions. Why did I stop making YouTube videos? Why am I not active on Instagram stories? Where I've been in my life in general, and blah blah blah. So today I'm here making this YouTube video to answer all the questions, and as this video is going to be the first video in a while, it's going to be a lot of chit chatting, catching up on my life, and yeah, so grab your popcorn, sit back, be comfortable, be relaxed. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Why did I stop making YouTube videos? So let's go back to the lockdown phase. I always wanted to get admission in FAD International, which is in Pali Hill, Bandra. I couldn't take admission at that time because of all the lockdown situation going on. As everything started getting normal day by day, I took the admission from a fashion styling and image creation course, which was in September 21. And of course, there will be a whole another video why I chose FAD for my styling course. It was a year-long course. I was doing my graduation at that time. In 2022, I took my first work international trip, which was in Dubai for Middle East Fashion Week. I got to meet so many new people, got to explore the backstage of the fashion industry. In 2023, you guys, I joined Dharma Production for costume styling for an amazing web series called Showtime, which just got released this year. It's streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. Do watch it and do let me know what you guys think about it. And cut to that. After Dharma Production, I worked with Riya Kapoor's team member for a project. Also, if you guys don't know who is Riya Kapoor, she is sister of Sonam Kapoor and daughter of Anil Kapoor. She is also a stylist and a producer as well. Worked with them, it was an amazing experience. In March 2024, I joined Tanya Gavri's team, who is mainly the stylist of Kareena Kapoor. I worked there for a while. Also, I have styled Kareena Kapoor for the Forbes magazine in 2023. I forgot to tell that. I'm super happy. Let's come back to the June 2024. I literally manifested this on the new year in my 2024 goals that I really want to style the Ambani's wedding. I got to style the celebrity for Ambani's wedding, which was a dream come true. It finally happened. I was super grateful that I got to work on this project, and yeah, so I think finally you guys know that why did I stop making YouTube videos, because I'm here to tell that I will try to make as many YouTube videos as I can. I'll try my best. Story time. I was just 16 or 17-year-old kid when I started my YouTube journey. I wasn't studying fashion. I just had that passion, knowledge and a creative side to style myself and others. I really started this YouTube channel just to upload fashion styling videos, what goes with what, and now that I've gained much more experience about fashion and about how this Bollywood styling celebrity industry works, I would now love to guide teenagers, girls or boys who are eagerly wanting to enter this industry but don't know how to. As when I started, I didn't had any particular structured information on how to enter this Bollywood industry or which academy to join. That I have realized that there are ample amount of information about designing courses, designing career and how to enter designing industry, but there's like 0.1% of information regarding fashion styling institutes and how to actually enter the fashion styling industry. Apart from, like, of course there are many YouTube videos and Instagram reels on how to style a trench coat in 3 different ways, but like nobody's really talking about how to enter the styling industry if someone wants to kickstart their career. So from now on, I will of course going to make videos on how to style your basic t-shirt in 3 different ways, because of course I love it, and then of course there are going to be videos on how to find your perfect styling institute, how to enter the styling industry, how to get into the Bollywood celebrity styling industry, and yeah, and also there are going to be videos on mental health, spirituality and lifestyle. So yeah, till then stick with me, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm super happy, grateful for this time, comfort and space of my home to create YouTube videos again for you guys. And yeah, that's it. It was a whole long video of catching up on my life of those 3 years, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know what all kind of videos do you like to watch, and yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.